Sad? How can such pretty birds be sad? Here, I have an idea. Pretty bird, the kind you like to meet. Pretty bird, we always like a treat. Pretty bird, our voices are so sweet. Pretty, 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 pretty bird, follow me. You might see us take a walk, stepping lightly with the flock. But when we all start to try to talk, that's when all the parents they go. Bring it on home! Oh, Polly, you're such a pretty bird. I'll show everyone how well you can talk. Repeat after me. What's up, dog?
What's up, dog?
Land ho!
Land ho!
Kitty, 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 kitty. Pretty bird, the kind you like to meet. Pretty bird, we always like a treat. Pretty bird, our voices are so sweet. Pretty, 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 pretty bird. Pretty, 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 pretty bird. Pretty, 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 pretty bird. Take a bow, Parrot. Take a bow. Oh no, they're making me remember the past. Hide on the beach, Parrot. It's the pirates.
Come on, lads, bring the treasure.